All right, everyone. So a little bit more about the kit lens versus the more pro level lens. Here we have the Canon 18 to 55 3.5 to f5.6 kit lens and Canon's L series Mark 1 24 to 70 f2.8. So right off the bat, you can see obviously there's a huge size difference. And why that is that this lens is f2.8, so it allows in much more light. Also, the quality, you can just sort of tell from the build. This has a lot more metal behind it. This feels very plasticky. Now, you can see here in these sample photos, right off the bat, you can really tell that there is an image difference or sort of a quality difference between the two lenses. The 24-70 just looks a little bit crisper. I think the fall off in the bokeh is much nicer. And you get that f2.8, which allows a lot more light in. Also, as you zoom in with this kit lens, it goes from a 3.5 to a 5.6. So you're losing almost 2 whole stops of light when you zoom into 55. So that's really the difference between these two lenses. You can start seeing the quality, the f-stop, obviously, the amount of light that's allowed in is a big difference. But I think it's important to note that there is a Mark II version of this lens. So you're able to find Mark I versions, which are still great pieces of glass for much cheaper.